Hey, Obi. Are you excited? Obi? And he's just watching everything and watching everybody go by. Hi guys, we're at Epcot. Today is the first day of Flower and Garden. It's March 2nd, 2022. And we're here. Obi and I are just going to go check out a few things, try a couple samples, and just show you guys what's available. I think it's going to be a good time. Right? I'm always a good time. Let's go have some fun. Alright, so our very first character was Pluto. Obi met Pluto at 8 weeks old, and Pluto said he remembered Obi. He knew who you were, Obi. And then my Goofy's down at the other end. See, he's hiding behind the tree down there. That's my Goofy. I love Goofy. Obi, you love Pluto? I'll insert the pictures that somebody so kindly took of us with Pluto and Goofy. So those are coming right now. Okay, this is the wall where they did the paint by numbers for the Festival of the Arts. That's where this was at. But look at over here, we got Bo Peep and Woody. How cute. Okay, look at, we got Simba. Alright, we just stopped close to where we're getting closer to the Royal Showcase, and you can smell flowers everywhere, and it smells so nice. They've got the flowers in the water here, but on the other side they have more, so I'll take that too. Alright, look at the petunias. And over there's the 50th. Alright, there's the 50th symbol there. Once we get to the other side, we'll be able to see this better. But I figured I'd just stop here and look and smell. The only thing I need now is the monorail to go by. And I don't see the monorail anywhere around, so maybe next time we'll get to monorail. The salad had chickpeas, it had raisins, almonds, carrots, and the chicken was very moist and tender. It was good. I stopped in this little shop. It's between America, it's between the funnel cakes and the barbecue place over there. But yeah, it's Alice in Wonderland. And then inside, this shirt is cute. This shirt is $40. And there's ears. There's two. Oh, it's a reversible bucket hat. It's got a little bag. This way to Wonderland. Got magnets, plates, teacups, and sweatshirts. Wow. And I believe this is the first time I've actually seen a booth dedicated to one character, Alice in Wonderland. I wonder why this wouldn't have been over there by the UK pavilion. It's not the American pavilion, but what do I know? But yes, that's different. New shirts, all featuring Alice in Wonderland. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, there's aprons. You guys gotta see the apron. Okay. It's always tea time. $35. And if you love Mary Poppins, she's here. $15. Those must be for extra long toothpicks. Yeah, extra long toothpicks probably. Oh, got the penguin on the front. I like this. $50. We have an ornament. The ornament's $25. There's magnets. There's the towels. There's her skirt. And then this shirt right here. And they have 17 Cherry Tree Lane, $22. And a cute little girl shirt for $30. That one's cute. Alright, this is what I got from Italy. I've eaten one of the balls already before we got to this point. But, you know, most of these food samples are $5 to $7. So, I never even looked at the price. I paid $14 for 4 balls of rice and some tomatoes. So don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure you watch the prices. And now I just lost my food. I got another one. Here's the little balls. They're fried. And see, they just have rice inside. They're tasty, but 14 bucks? I screwed up. I stopped at the China Pavilion and look at these frogs. They look like they're about $29, $30. He's sitting on a toilet. Oh my goodness, how funny is that? This is me. This must be Boo. No, that's Boo. Boo and Yammi. Then up here they're holding some drinks. Having a good old time. Riding a Harley. Aw, 2 lovebirds. Those are cute. And we have more cute frogs on this side. How adorable. $20 for him. $10 for these guys. It's so nice to finally be able to go into a store and breathe. Wait a minute here. Look at that, it's a little doggy outfit. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this. Look at this. Oh, they're adorable.
These are different like area.
You'd probably need one of these down here, huh, buddy? We would see you then. These are cute. How much are these? I don't know. Let me see if I can find a price. All right, they are $20. And I'm not sure, maybe for all of them. Yeah, $20. That's adorable. Someone's finally resting. Alright, this, he can dress up like a panda bear. Isn't that cute? Yeah, so they have a few more outfits here. Most of them are girls. But yeah, this is what the dog would look like with it on. Isn't that cute? Now, I did buy Obi a pair of Mickey socks. But the small size, it was still too big for him. So I'm going to take elastic through there and tighten it up. So that way it stays. But then you got over here, you got harnesses you can buy too. You got different ones. These are $13. Oh, this looks like a leash. Oh, it's a leash and, okay, for $15. We even have a duck and a pig. Oh my goodness, Obi. This piggy. What do you think of Piggy here? No? Look at how adorable. I can't get it now. Look at how adorable that is. You don't want to be a piggy? He says no. Do not put the piggy on me. And then they got little girl outfits there. They have flowers everywhere. Earlier I showed you what was over on that side. Now we're going to go take a look at it. And you can see what it looks like now. These impatiens are cute. Right. Alright, that's the other side. We were over there looking. See, there's the 50th there. There's a Mickey, a Minnie, another Mickey, another Minnie. So you got 2 Minnies and 2 Mickeys. No, we got 1, 2, 3 Mickeys and 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 Minnies. Uh-oh, perfect shot coming right up. Wait till you guys see it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Monorail. Monorail. Hi, monorail. Alright, this is a t-shirt here. $37, but look at the mugs. Real happiness. And it's got flowers. Okay, there's Epcot on the other side right there. And these are $20. The Spirit jerseys are $75. This is what the back looks like. And down the sleeve there's flowers. And on the front is another flower. Oh, what is this? Oh, $35 for a little tray like that. It's cute. And this is cute too, but don't know what I'll do with it. The hats are really cute. Plant lady. Now, this is a different type of shirt. I'm not used to them having this kind of shirt. I want to say it is, it's cotton and polyester, but it feels more like a cotton. And that's what the back looks like. And they have hats to match. And I believe it's $35 for this shirt. Oh, we got Mickey, $27. And look at the apron. A little dirt never hurt. Okay. We have a water pitcher here. It is like a plastic. It is not microwave or dishwasher safe by the looks of it. $30. And that's what the one side looks like in the other one. Oh, boo, here's your area. Look at these. How adorable. Oh. $10 for a trash can. Oh, that is too cute. And look at the mug. They're little tiny mugs for 20 bucks, but they're cute. And green on the inside. We have for wine $30. And look at that Spirit jersey. The original Florida Orangebird. Look at him. And there's the front. Oh, how cute. Look at men's shirts, hats. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. $60. It's very lightweight. And you can get a pair of shorts that feel like sweater shirts. This is a woman's cut, $37. But look at Epcot, looks like an orange, and there's the orange bird. Okay, special edition magic bands. You got the Mickey and Minnie here, and this one is Figment on there, but this one's a pass holder. And it's a limit of 3,000, and this one's a limit of 2,500. So, and I believe they go for, yeah, $40. Alright, so Figment must be the pass holder, exclusive pass holder items. Look at that. I like the back of it. That is really cute. I see. $45. But look at it. Isn't that cute? And he's winking. Alright guys, I have a very bad habit. I want to walk and get my camera turned on and put it on. I don't like to stand still for too long, but then I drop the camera, you know, so you gotta be careful with that. Obi and I just went around the world and checked a few things out, and he is pooped. He's ready to go home, so it is about 4 o'clock. It's time to go home. Even I'm tired. But the festival, I love the Orangeburg Spirit jersey, pass holder sweatshirt. Oh my goodness, they have a lot of cute things. It's nice to see that they're coming out with cute things, you know, cute Spirit jerseys. Merchandise has really changed here. They now have broadened their horizon, as you can say. But we're walking out empty-handed, you know. We did have 2 good sampling of food. I mean, that one at the Morocco, that one was really good. I really enjoyed that one. I thought it was just the rice balls, but they were like fried risotto, but it had a beef in the middle, beef and cheese. It was good. The salad was cherry tomatoes with a vinaigrette dressing on it. That was good too. Now I gotta go home, figure out dinner, and Obi's ready for bed, I think too. Let me move over here. Obi and I had a good time at Epcot, checking out the festival and all the fun stuff out there, and some yummy food. Yum, 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 yum. You know your girl loves her food. But we had a good time, and we'll be back again soon. And we'll be taking you right along with us. But if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye. See you on the next adventure.